こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Today we are going to learn an expression, ちょうだい。ちょうだい。At first, I want you to remember in my video grammar 62, I explained about てください。をください。So it's something to do with these expressions. ちょうだい is a casual way to say ください。For example, 本をください。Please give me a book. This is very polite way. But casual way, 本ちょうだい So we can omit this particle を。Children usually ask with ちょうだい not with ください。For example, give me a toy. おもちゃちょうだい。This vocabulary お菓子 it means sweets, candies, or even snacks. So お菓子ちょうだい Give me snacks or give me sweets, give me candies. お菓子ちょうだい。おやつ This vocabulary おやつ it means afternoon snack. Usually in Japan, afternoon snack おやつ is about 3 o'clock. おやつちょうだい Give me an afternoon snack. おやつちょうだい。アイスクリーム。アイスクリーム。This is ice cream. So, アイスクリームちょうだい。Give me an ice cream. But even we can say shorter. アイスちょうだい。アイスちょうだい。So, without cream, only ice, it can be also ice cream. アイスちょうだい。チョコレート。チョコレート。チョコレートちょうだい。Give me chocolate. But we can say shorter. Only チョコ without レート。チョコちょうだい。チョコちょうだい。Can you read this and try to say it? This is kind of a tongue twister. そのチョコ、ちょっとちょうだい。ちょっと and 少し these are a synonym. The same meaning. But 少し it is more polite way and ちょっと is informal way, more casual way. ちょっと a little bit. Give me a bite of that chocolate. Give me a little bit of that chocolate. そのチョコ、ちょっとちょうだい。Well, now try to say quickly. そのチョコちょっとちょうだい。そのチョコちょっとちょうだい。Can you say it? But when we say ちょうだいします with します in this case, it is recommended to write ちょうだい in kanji. And this is KEIGO, respectful word ちょうだいします and you can use in the business scenes. In Japan, we've got KEIGO. KEIGO. This means honorific respect form or politically correct form. KEIGO. In KEIGO, there are 3 types. One is sonkeigo. This is respectful form. So when I speak to someone, I put this person so upper place, an upper situation. So I put this person with lots of respect. This is sonkeigo. And kenjogo, when I speak about myself, I put myself down. I put myself under. So this is very modesty. Like I show modesty. So this is kenjogo, the modesty words. And teineigo, this is polite form. It is like a します。しました。なんとかなんとかです。This is polite form. 丁寧語。So these two are considered to be 敬語。Synonym of this 頂戴します is いただきます。頂戴します is the humble way to say もらいます。受け取ります to receive, to get. And the humble way is 頂戴します。食べます to eat. The humble way 頂戴します just the same as いただきます。飲みます to drink. In the humble way 頂戴します。資料 This word is often used in the business. This means documents, materials, minutes, or handouts. And this kind of all kind of materials, this kind of reports, 資料、data、資料。資料を頂戴しました。資料を頂戴しました。This is much more polite than 資料をもらいました。資料を受け取りました。I got the materials. 資料を頂戴しました。or also 資料をいただきました。These two are very humble ways. Imagine this situation. You visited somebody's house. Then they offer you some cookies. どうぞ、どうぞお上がりください。どうぞお召し上がりください。Then you are gonna take one. So you say, ありがとうございます。一つ頂戴します。Thank you. I'm gonna have one. And this is the synonym. ありがとうございます。一ついただきます。I haven't made any videos about KEIGO, so you don't know about KEIGO, so don't worry. But anyway, if you know something about KEIGO, and します can be いたします for the 謙譲語 for the humble way. But in this case, 頂戴いたします。This is not correct because there are two 頂戴 this is humble way and しますいたします so double humble ways is not used so 頂戴します this is already okay this is 頂戴します this is really humble way to say to receive 頂戴します頂戴頂戴 this is give me so casual way 頂戴します with kanji 頂戴します This is respectful way, humble way to say I receive. So this is very different. 頂戴頂戴します So this one you write with hiragana, the first one, but second one you must write in kanji. Because if it's not, it's too like childish. So 頂戴します This is very adult word. And you can use in the business. 頂戴します I hope you could learn something very interesting. If you liked this video, please give me a like. And if you share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. I will appreciate it so much. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it to receive all of my videos. Now listen to me in Japanese. いかがでしたか？今日は頂戴について勉強しました。一つ目の頂戴は子供が何かを頼むとき、頂戴というときに使いますよね。もう一つは頂戴しますととても丁寧。敬語になります。敬語というより謙譲語ですが、頂戴します。とても綺麗な日本語ですね。頂戴します。もしこのビデオが気に入ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンお願いいたします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったらとても嬉しいです。ぜひお願いいたします。ぜひチャンネル登録もお願いしますね。ではまた次のビデオでお会いいたしましょう。じゃあね。バイバイ。